Stop by and take a look at the 2014 GLK class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.